Hello friends, good morning. In previous lecture we solved exercise 3.4 page number first part. Today we will discuss the other parts of the page number first. First of all we solve the third part of the page number first. Page number first, third part. Okay. This is the 3x minus 5y equal to 3x minus 5 minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. We can write as 3x minus 5y equal to 4. This is equation first. And the second one is 9x equal to 2y plus 7. We can write as 9x minus 2y equal to 7. This is scalar. We have to find out the value of x and y from these two equations by elimination method and substitution. First we apply elimination method. Elimination method. Okay. As I discussed in the previous lecture that in elimination method we eliminate any one variable, either x either y, from these two equations. So first of all, in first step we see that the quotient of the variables which is to be eliminated, as I want to here eliminate the quotient of x, means the variable x. We see that from the equation, the quotient of x in first equation is 3 and the quotient of x in the second equation is 9. If we multiply equation first by 3, then the quotient of x will be same as in the quotient of x in the second equation. Now we write it as multiplying equation first by 3 and subtracting equation 2 from 1. इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम 1. इक्वेशन 3 को क्या करें, इक्वेशन फर्स्ट को क्या करें, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट इक्वेशन फर्स्ट से इक्वेशन सेकंड को माइनस करेंगे. मल्टीप्लाई करें 3 जा 9x माइनस 3 5 जा 15y 3 4 जा 12. नाउ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट द इक्वेशन सेकंड फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन. मींस when we multiply the equation first by 3, after that we subtract the second equation from the first equation. Now we write 9x minus 2y equal to 7 minus plus minus 9x cancel out minus 12y plus minus 15y plus 2y means minus 13y. 12 minus 7 equal to 5. Here we get the value y equal to minus 5 upon 13. Okay. Now we put this value in either equation first or equation second. We put this value in equation first. Put y equal to minus 5 upon 13 in equation first. Okay. Put here 3 into minus 5 upon 13 minus 5y equal to 4. Okay. Now 5 into 3 means here we see that 3 5s are 15 minus 15 upon 13 minus 5y equal to 4. Once again the value of y is here minus 5 upon 13. Sorry, we are putting the value of y. Hence we write here as 3x minus 5 into minus 5 upon 13. Okay, equal to 4. Now we see that here 3x minus plus 5 5 is 25 upon 30 equal to 4. तो 3x equal to 4 minus 25 upon 30. Here we can get 1. So 3x equal to 4. We take here LCM 1 and 13, which is 13. 13 what are 52 minus 25. 3x equal to 12 minus 5, 7. 4 minus 2, 2 upon 30. So x equal to 27 upon 13 into 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27. Here x equal to 9 upon 30. To check that your answer is correct or not, put the value of x and y in any one of the equation, either 1, either 2. If right hand side and left hand side is equal, then your answer is correct. Now for verification, we put the value of x and y in equation first. Here 3 in value of x 9 upon 30 minus 5 into value of y minus 5 upon 30. 9 is 27 upon 30 plus minus plus 25 upon 30. Okay, see that 7 5 12 24 1 5 52 upon 30. 13 what are 52. Means the right hand side and the left hand side is same, hence your answer is correct. Okay, answer x equal to 9 upon 30 and y equal to minus 5 upon 30. Okay, once again we have to find out the value of x and y of the paired linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. First of all, we apply the elimination method. In elimination method, as we know that we eliminate any one of the unknown variables x or y. So we select to eliminate the variable x. To eliminate the variable x from these two equations, first of all, we have to make the coefficient equal. Hence, we see that the coefficient of x in second equation is 9 and first is 3. Hence, we multiply the first equation by 3, then it will becomes 3 3 are 9x, 3 5 are 15, and 3 4 are 12. After that, to eliminate, if the sign or the coefficients which is equal of variables is opposite, then we add the two equations. And if are of same sign, both are negative and both are positive, then we subtract. Hence we see that 9x and 9x both are positive. Hence we subtract equation second from equation first and we get the value of y. After getting the value of y, we put the value of y in either one of the equations, either first or in second. We put this value in equation first. Here 3x minus 5y equal to 4. 3x in place of y, we put minus 5 upon 30, and after solution we get the value of x, which is 9 upon 30. Okay, now we see that by the substitution method. Second, by substitution method we see that from here, as it is original equation, we get the value of x equal to from second 2y plus 7 upon 9. We put this value in equation first, as I have told you that if you get the value of x in terms of y from first equation, then from substitution you put in the second equation, and if you get the value of x or y from second equations, then you put it in first equation. So we get here the value of x from second equations, hence we put it in first equation. Okay, so 3 into 2y plus 7 upon 9 minus 5y equal to 4. Here 3 1 is 3 6 9. So 2y plus 7 upon 3 minus 5y equal to 4. Here we solve it, we get 2y plus 7 minus 15y upon 3 equal to 4, or 2 minus 15y is minus 13y equal to 4 12 minus 7 minus 13y equal to 5 or y equal to minus 5 upon 13. Okay. We put the value of y in this relation to get value of x. We put here x equal to 2 into minus 5 upon 13 plus 7 upon 9. X equal to minus 10 plus 37 the 91 upon 9 into 13. X equal to 90 minus 10 81 upon 9 into 13. 9 9 the 81 or x equal to 9 upon 13. In this way, by both the method elimination and substitution, we solve this equation and find the same value of x and y. It means that if we solve a pair of linear equations by any one of the method, either substitution or elimination, there will be no difference in the answer. Okay? Now, we will discuss its fourth part. The fourth part of this question is that x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equal to minus 1. First of all, we multiply all the terms of this equation by LCM of denominator, which is 6. 6 into x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 into 6 equal to minus 1 into 6. 2 3 is 6. 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 3x plus 2 2 is 4y equal to minus 6. This is first equation. Now, the second one is x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. Here, we can write as 1. LCM will be 3. We multiply this equation by 3. 3 into x upon 1 minus y upon 3 into 3 equal to 3 into 3. Means 3x minus 3 is y equal to 9. This is equation second. From equation first and from equation second, we see that the coefficient of x in both equations are same and have same sign. Hence, to eliminate the variable x from these two equations, we subtract equation second from equation first. Hence, subtracting equation second from first. Okay, we get here 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 minus here 3x minus y equal to 9 minus plus and minus. This is cancelled. 4 plus 1 5y equal to minus 9 minus 6 minus 15. Y equal to minus 15 upon 5 5 is 15. Okay, so y equal to minus 3. Put y equal to minus 3 in equation first. Okay, in equation first. Here we put the value. Now we see that here from the equations 3x plus 4 into minus 3 equal to minus 6. Okay, now we see that here 3x minus 12 equal to minus 6 or 3x equal to minus 6 plus 12 or 3x equal to 6 or x equal to 6 upon 3 or x equal to 2. For verification, we put x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 in equation first. Here put 3 into x means 2 plus 4 into minus 3. 6 minus 12 equal to minus 6, which is equal to right hand side. Hence, our answer is correct. Answer x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. Now, we solve it by the substitution method. Okay, by elimination method we solve and find value of x and y. Now we solve this equation by substitution method. Okay, see here. value of x in terms of y. X equal to 3 plus y by 3. Now, we substitute this value equation first. Put s equal to 3 plus y upon 3 in equation first. Okay? Here see that. 3 into, in place of x, 3 plus y upon 3 plus 4y equal to minus 6. Multiply 3 9 plus y by 3 into 3 plus 4y equal to minus 6. 3 cancel out. 9 plus y plus 4y equal to minus 6 or 5y equal to minus 6 minus 9. So 5y equal to minus 15 or y equal to minus 15 upon 5 or y equal to minus 3. Okay? Now, see that. We put y equal to minus 3 in this relation. Here, x equal to 3 plus 3 upon minus 3. X equal to 3 plus 3 1 is 3 plus into 1 is minus 3 minus 1. X equal to 2, which is our answer. In this way we solve this equation by substitution method and elimination method. The next questions we will solve in next video. Thank you.